Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna tell you about the life of Rabindranath Tagore. Before we begin, please subscribe to my channel. And now let's begin. Rabindranath Tagore was born on 7th May 1861 in Calcutta and died on August 7, 1941. He was a Bengali poet, mystic, who won the Nobel Prize for Literature in 1913. He was most influential in introducing the best of Indian culture to the West and vice versa. Rabindranath Tagore was the son of the great sage Maharishi Rabindranath Tagore. Very early in his life, he began to write verses. After several books of songs in the 1880s, he wrote Mansi. 1890. This collection of his poem marks the maturing of his genius. It contains some of his best known poems, including many in verse forms that were new to Bengali, among them one being the Ode. It also contains his first social and political poetry. In 1891, he became the manager of his father's estates in Shiladia and Sayyidpur. He lived there in close contact with village folk, and his sympathy for their poverty and backwardness was the keynote of much later writing. Stories on humble lives and their small miseries were collected in Galpa Gucha, 1912, Bundle of Tales. He also became interested in political and social problems, though he never regarded independence for India as an end in itself. At Shiladia, he came to love the Bengali countryside. Most of all, the Ganges River, perhaps his most frequently repeated image. During these years, he published several collections. Years of sadness, his wife and a son and a daughter died between 1902 and 1907, inspired some of Tagore's best poetry. The English version of his best known collection, Gitanjali, 1910, won him the Nobel Prize. He was awarded knighthood in 1915, but he surrendered it in 1919 as a protest against the Jallianwala massacre, in which British troops fired on crowd of Indians protesting against the government's emergency power. Despite the variety of his activities, Tagore was a prolific writer. His 21 collections appeared in the last year of his life. Much of that period was spent in lecture tours in Europe, America, China, Japan, Malaya, and Indonesia. Many of his works were translated into English by himself and others, but the English versions fall far below the Bengali originals. His novels, although less outstanding than his poems and short stories, are worthy of attention. The best known is Cora, 1910. It was translated into English in 1924. Tagore was also a gifted composer, setting hundreds of poems to music, and was among India's foremost painters. In 1901, Tagore founded a school at Shanti Niketan near Bolpur. There he sought to blend the best in Indian and Western traditions. In 1921, he inaugurated
So
the
guys, that is it
Vishwa
for today.
Bharati University
Do
there.
like, share and comment on my video. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please do subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.